This is designed to give us full room coverage with our aid system. I'm going to show you. The bar can easily be pulled into place. The hoist will slide along the bar and the bar can move anywhere to give you full room coverage. The important thing is at the end of using the hoist that it's actually returned to its charging position, and that's all lined up there so that actually the battery will recharge now. You can see that that happens because when the battery is charging, this light will light up. In terms of features, we have a simple control that shows the hoist lowering and raising with our up-down arrows. As you can see, the hoist cradle has a loop system here, so a sling can be attached via the loop system. So here we have our little light system. This green light here is showing that the hoist is fully charged and ready to go. If it needs charging, or if it is charging, the battery will light up, and if you just refer to your wall sign, that will tell you all the sequencing of the lights. If it requires any maintenance, the maintenance light will light up. Again, this is the time that you need to contact Ask the Bannerman or your service provider, and they will actually come and service this and check out what's wrong. The other feature to note is the emergency stop button. So if there's any problems at all, or if there's a power cut, you can pull this out, and as you can see, the hoist automatically lowers. One thing to remember, this will also lock out the whole system. So if you need to get the hoist working again, you do need to reset that by